Ever wondered how a simple crayon can transform a blank page into a masterpiece? From the vibrant reds to the calming blues, these little sticks of color have been sparking creativity for generations. But how are they made? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to discover the fascinating process of how crayons are created, from raw materials to the finished product that you hold in your hand. Stick around, because what you're about to see will change the way you think about this everyday art tool forever. Welcome to the Crayon Factory, where the magic begins. The journey of a crayon starts with two primary ingredients: paraffin wax and color pigments. The wax gives the crayon its shape, while the pigments are responsible for those eye-catching colors. But it's not just any wax. We're talking about high-quality paraffin wax that can withstand the pressure of a child's creative force. The wax is first melted in large vats and then mixed with the pigments. This is where the color magic happens. The pigments are blended into the melted wax to create a rich, vibrant paste. Each batch is meticulously crafted to ensure the colors are consistent and bold. Did you know it takes a precise combination of pigments to create a single crayon color? Even the slightest change in the formula can result in a completely different shade. Once the wax and pigment mix is ready, it's time to mold the crayons. The hot liquid wax is poured into crayon-shaped molds. These molds are specially designed to give the crayons their classic cylindrical shape. The molds are then cooled, allowing the wax to harden. In just a few minutes, the liquid wax transforms into solid, colorful sticks. Workers carefully remove the hardened crayons from the molds, ensuring that each crayon is smooth and free of any imperfections. At this stage, you can already see the colors popping. But the process doesn't stop there. Each crayon goes through a rigorous quality control process. Crayons are checked for consistency in color, texture, and strength. A crayon that doesn't meet these standards? It gets sent back to be remelted and remolded. From here, the crayons move on to the labeling stage. But before we get to that, if you're loving this behind the scenes, look at how everyday items are made. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You'll never miss another deep dive into the making of your favorite things. Now, on to the finishing touches. Each crayon is wrapped in its signature paper label. These labels aren't just for branding. They also provide a grip and prevent the crayon from breaking too easily in tiny hands. Finally, the crayons are packed into boxes, ready to be shipped to stores around the world. Fun fact: a single factory can produce over 12 million crayons a day. From wax to masterpiece, the journey of a crayon is nothing short of incredible. These little sticks of color have been inspiring creativity and bringing joy to millions for over a century. Next time you pick up a crayon, remember all the steps, the craftsmanship, and the attention to detail that went into making it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, subscribe to our channel for more amazing stories of how everyday items are made. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.